When I first traveled to Zambia, I was struck by the great distances that households needed to travel in order to fetch water for basic uses like drinking and cooking. And I found that culturally, women and girls were the ones that most often were tasked with this particular chore, in addition to other household chores or childcare, or even work in the fields in areas where subsistence farming was practiced. What we found through this research is that improvements in water infrastructure that brought piped water much closer to these households than they had previously experienced greatly reduced the time that women and girls were spending fetching water, which freed them up for other pursuits, whether it's gardening or household chores or even work outside the home, and in that way making progress towards gender equality by giving them back this resource of time for use in their daily lives.